I'm going to attempt to show you the dove's biggest fear and the thing of its nightmares. Well, Kev's alright with it. The other two literally lost their shit the other day. I moved it up to them. It's only a little pink unicorn. I moved it up to them and when they're in each other's cages, and they literally lost their mind and bolted out of their cage, flew around the room for about 5 minutes, and then stopped. Nope, he's gone in the cage now. You're in the wrong cage, bud. That's your cage over there. About the same size, nearly. This one's slightly bigger. Hey. You found a good zip tie, but you're in the wrong place. He's like, I don't live here. There you go, bud. You know, you nearly went out then. I can't lift this cage up so that you can escape because it's kind of heavy. And they've got things on top of it now. There you go, keep walking this way, that's the door. Oh, you go. We're back again. I bought this thing. They land on it, but it just moves so much that they can't actually land on it properly. And all they do is knock the seeds off of it. I think some of the things I bought were for smaller birds. You're too heavy. Come on, bud. Yeah, that's the right way. Oh, no, you're going the wrong way again. But it's here. Look. It's here. We're over there. Yeah, there's another door over there. There you go. Yay, you made it. Right back home to his missus. He goes down and gives it her. And he's like, oh, you couldn't even imagine the adventures I just went on. I got chased by that pink demon thing, and then I went into another land that I'd never known. And I'm going back out to search for more for you. Oh, and I forgot about these things. These are soft. No, it's not good enough for her, though. I'll go and drop him some more zip ties out. And there is the adventures of Kev. Oh, it's always good you got one. That was a much shorter adventure, but still good nonetheless. Kev will return.